Good morning, students. Today, our topic of discussion is interrogative sentence, the direct and indirect rules of interrogative sentence. As we all know, that interrogative sentence are those sentences in which we ask a question, means we question someone. So, today we will learn about the direct and indirect rules of interrogative sentence. See, I have already mentioned the first example. Ram said, "Can I do this work?" So first we need to know what is the reporting verb. Said is the reporting verb in this sentence, and while changing the direct speech into indirect speech in interrogative sentence, we need to remember that the reporting verb is always changed to asked or inquire. Reporting verb is always changed to asked, either to asked or to inquire. And one more thing that we need to remember is, if the reported speech means the speech within the inverted comma, the part that is within the inverted comma. If the reported speech starts with words like can, could, will, would, shall, should, replace these words with if or whether. Means these words will be replaced with if or whether. See, he said, will he serve me faithfully? He said, will he serve me faithfully? So what is the answer? Reporting verb is said. So this reporting verb is replaced with asked. He asked, as I already told, that if the reported speech starts with the words like will, would, shall, should, can, could, these words will be replaced with if or whether. So he asked if he would serve me faithfully. This will become would, because it is in the tense should be in the past. So he asked if he would serve me faithfully. This the tense of this modal auxiliary will be changed to past. Will become would. Another sentence. He said, "Do you want my help?" She said, "Do you want my help?" So same thing, said will be replaced with asked. And one more thing that I would like to mention, that apart from these words, two more words are also there: do, does. So if the reported speech starts with these words do, does, then also these words will be replaced with if or whether. She asked if, you will be replaced with I. She asked, what was the question? She said, "Do you want my help?" She said, "Do you want my help?" So here you is referring to someone else, not to she. So you will be replaced with I. She asked if I wanted her help. If I wanted her help. Next question. She said, "Could you do this? Could you do this work?" So she asked, I have replaced the reported reporting verb said with asked. If I could do that work. See, when could is there, it will remain the same. If I could do this work will become that work, because we are changing the tense. Now another thing, if the reported speech starts with WH words. WH words means what? What, why, where, which. If the reported speech starts with these words, then these words will not be replaced with if or whether. See the first question. He said, "What is the matter?" The reporting verb said will be replaced with asked, but what will remain the same? He said, what is the matter? So what will be the answer? He asked what the matter was. You will always remember that the helping verb will come after the subject. What is the matter? Here the helping verb is coming before the subject, but in indirect speech the helping verb will come after the subject. He said, where do you live? He said, where do you live? So when do is here, he asked where I lived. So you will not write where did I live. It will be where I lived. Another example. He said, where did I live? So the answer will be he asked where I lived. Thank you.